All right, boys, what is up? Today is Friday, April 25th. Caught around 43 points trading the Nasdaq this morning. So let's get into a little trade recap for you guys. So coming into market open, what I see on the 4 hour, it is still not even 10 a.m. So it's still early. There's still so much opportunity for you guys to keep trading. But hop onto the 4 hour, what I see, structure is clearly bullish. Clearly fucking bullish. Nothing about this is bearish, right? Did not break structure. We are delivering on the 4 hour to unfilled 4 hour fair value gaps. We tap into them, respect them. On the hourly, we are pretty bearish. Nothing about the hourly is actually bullish besides this sweep of sell side right here. We did also end up sweeping this internal low on the hourly chart within one filled 1 hour above us, giving us more confirmation to play the upside, right? Hop down to the 15-minute. What do we see? London London highs are untouched. And we also have this internal high that looks really nice. We have this unfilled 1 hour fair value gap, and we have a bunch of unfilled gaps above us, right? So longs looked really clean. Obviously now, market is dumping. So what I'm saying sounds stupid, but I stand by it. Bias was bullish. My bias is still bullish. Price probably just wants to come down, take out this low, and push higher. But my thought process coming to the market today was we have an unfilled 1 hour above us, coming out of a 4 hour bullish fair value gap. The overall structure on the daily is bullish. On the daily, we got a daily CISD. I wouldn't consider that a CISD. Would have to sweep this low. But we inversed this daily volume in, like, this isn't even a fair value gap. It's like 3 volume imbalances in a row. But we inversed it, telling us price wants to push higher. These are some draws above us that I see price going to. On the 4 hour, right, we're clearly bullish. Tapped into a bullish 4 hour fair value gap. On the hourly, we are bearish, right? So I am aiming for a unfilled 1 hour fair value gap because that is a point that price has a high probability from, or for like to reject from, right? 15-minute, what do we see? All right, price is finally pushing up again. Internal sweep of sell side. On the 5-minute, what do we see? We have this bearish. Let me go in replay mode so it looks cleaner. My thought process is we just took out sell side. We have a unfilled 1 hour fair value gap above us, right? If price inverses this 5-minute, there is a high probability that price would inverse this 15-minute, thus at least pushing up to the internal high and tapping into a 1 hour, because once price inverses this 5-minute, right, and potentially creating a 5-minute CISD as well at this high, right, because this is the last move to the upside before a sweep of sell side, and we get a candle closure above the body's closure of the last move to the upside, it is a change in state in delivery. So if we could get a change in state in delivery and a 5-minute IFEG, price in theory has no reason to push any lower, right? At least until we take out a subjective high or tap into some sort of higher time frame bearish PD rate, which is exactly what I was aiming for, a 1 hour fair value gap, which was a 5 and 15-minute high, internal high, perfect draw on liquidity. So I just wait for, how does this shit work? I wait for the 5 minutes inverse. Market order that bitch right there. Targeting that unfilled 1 hour. Stops were not at this low. That is ridiculous. Stops were at this candle's low because price should not break that low. Also, I'm not comfortable risking that much risk. And it was 2 order blocks protecting my stop loss. So I was pretty confident in the draw, right? As you can see, oh, okay, it worked out. Did not mean to do that. But as you can see, I got filled at 9:30. There was a bearish SMT right here at 9:27. You can see at 9:27, ES tapped the same draw on liquidity, the unfilled 1 hour. We're playing with that order block right now, damn. But yeah, as you can see at 9:27, there was an SMT, so I was a little worried. So I did move my stops to break even. Or not even break even, but I did trail them a bit, I think I was risking 500 instead of 1,500 on the trade by the time price made an SMT. So not at break even because there was a chance the price could just swing lower before taking out that high. So I think I moved it like below this order block. I trailed it like here or something, or like here. Did something, but my stop loss was much smaller. And targeting this high, beautiful draw on liquidity. As you can see, got smashed. Got hit in around what, from 9:15 to 15-minute trade. Not bad at all. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this trade, Let me know in the comments. I'll be there to answer. Let me know on TikTok, Instagram. We do have a Discord in bio if you guys are interested in joining. We do have a free community and a paid community. Live trade with the paid community every single day. Free community, we do sit there, answer the questions. They talk. They're just chilling with a bunch of people that I guess they fuck with. I don't know. Not really active as much in there, I'm not going to lie. But if you guys are interested in us teaching you, by all means, feel free to join our Discord. Link is always going to be in bio in the link tree. It's called the AJ Mentorship. So feel free to join. I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and peace out. Have a nice weekend.